What's up, YouTube? Robbo out of Deerfield here. I'm compelled to do this just because I don't know. I just need to get this off my chest. I don't watch football, and T-Box, I know that's probably offensive to you, and I apologize. It's probably offensive to a lot of you people, but after watching yesterday's game, being that I live in New England, first of all, and it's a law, I got to tell you, it pretty much reminded me why I don't watch sports. I have enough stress in my life, so I really don't need extra shit to go on. Like watching Tom Brady get sacked multiple times because his defense is off, I don't know, knitting or something. Listen, I don't know a lot about football, and again, I never watch it. I will not watch it again. And I know you're all like, hey, you know what? Fuck you, don't watch it. Well, fuck me. I'm not watching it, okay? You're all crazy. Because I'll tell you what, I left a house. I left a house over at Wildcat 471's last night. The house, the whole place, shit-faced out of their minds, cocked, depressed, want to hang themselves. What a good time that is. Listen, I'll stick to going up north, having a few cocktails, hanging out with friends, doing my thing. You guys, you want to watch your sports and have your pain, you do that. You enjoy yourself with your pain. Go see your therapist. Tell him how you hate everybody because the Patriots lost. I know you probably hate Tom Brady, and that poor bastard didn't even really do anything. It was just horrible. So listen, this is my first video blog. And, that's it. I just wanted to check in with you guys and give you something to think about and be annoyed with me because I'm an annoying prick, I know. But that's where I'm coming from. So, listen, thanks, and you guys have a great day, and we'll start over again, new season, right? Not me, but you guys. All right, guys. Bye.